This machine is definitely not made for small, intricate things. But I don't have a scroll saw, so we're gonna make this work. We'll just have to be very careful. This is a bad idea. That actually did a lot better than I thought it would, so I might go back in and try and, get in a little bit tighter on here, save me some more work. Awesome. I wasn't expecting it to work that good. Time to switch to the corded Dremel. playing around a little bit. I thought it'd be neat to add some gold just to give it some contrast with the silver, but turns out that I don't like it. So I'm gonna get a different color and I'm gonna go back and add that in place of the gold. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching. This was a fun little project to make. Not the first pendant I've made. Definitely made pendants before, but never carved one. Half the time I didn't really know where I was going, but I figured I'd just wing it and see what happens. I don't really know which side I like the most. Let me know what you think down below in the comments section. Tell me which side's your favorite. Anyways, I'm Ross David, and I'm just getting started on YouTube. If you haven't seen any of my other videos, please go check them out. If you haven't already subscribed, please do consider. Thank you all so much for your support so far. It's been fun, and I'm ready to see what we come up with next.